Hi friends, welcome to our channel Askar Talks. This is Anupama. Today I'll be posting how to prepare ragi ball and chicken gravy. So this recipe I'll be sharing to you all. If you people like it, please do share to your friends and family and ask them to subscribe my channel. So here I'm going to prepare for 4 people. So I'll be taking 1.5 glass of rice. I will just wash it and soak it for 30 minutes. Soaking rice will remove dirt and extra starch from rice. It also saves gas. Now I'll marinate chicken. I'll be adding 1.5 tablespoon of chicken masala, half a tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. This is 1 kg chicken. Okay. Now I'll be adding 3 tablespoon of yogurt. We will get more gravy when we add yogurt to curry. So little salt. Now I'll mix everything and keep aside. Now you take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once oil is heated, then you just add 3 medium size onions. Now you add 2 medium-sized tomatoes. We made into bigger pieces because after frying it, we will be grinding into paste. So now you add 2 chilies. So fry them well for 10 minutes. Now you add coriander and pudina. Mix them well. Now place a cooker. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, 4 cinnamon, 4 pieces of clove. Now add marinated chicken to it. Mix it well. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Now take a jar, add fried onions and tomatoes and grind it well into a paste. You can add some water if you want. Now add this paste to our gravy and mix it well. I am adding little water and you can add salt if you require. Mix completely. And let it cook for 5 minutes. Now we can close lid of the cooker and allow it to give 2 whistles. So our curry will be ready for serving. Now we will prepare ragi ball. For that we should cook rice. For 1.5 glass of rice, I added 3 glass of water. Full 80% of water should be completely cooked and absorbed by rice. Once rice is cooked, then we take 1 glass of ragi powder and mix well. Now close with a lid and cook it for 10 minutes in medium flame. After 10 minutes, you just take a spoon or a tool to mix the powder and rice very well. So I am using roti maker to mix it well. So I will make sure no lumps is left. It should be mixed very well. After mixing it, you just leave it for 5 minutes in low flame. Now our ragi food is ready. Now we should take how much we require and make balls with the help of water. I am making balls here. Ragi ball is protein rich food. Try to take at least weekly once. So here you go, our ragi ball is ready and you can serve with chicken curry. This is how we serve and garnished with some cucumber, onion and so on. Thank you for watching.